Hi, to hide or unhide apps on iPhone 16e. Firstly, let's hide app. For that, I'm gonna pick Instagram, and to hide it, we need to press and hold the app till we'll see this list of options. And from the list, select Require Face ID. Now you need to select this second section, Hide and Require Face ID. And now you need to scan it or enter your password. Then you will see this suggestion to hide app. You can read information about this feature, so you'll receive no notification, calls, or alerts. And if you want to hide it, just tap blue button Hide app. As you can see, it disappeared from my home screen. And to be able to find it and unhide, we need to swipe left till App Library, scroll down and find this hidden folder. You can tap it once, scan your Face ID or enter iPhone passcode, and you'll be able to view list of apps in this folder and use them. To unhide those apps, you need to tap this folder again, press and hold app you want to unhide, and switch to Don't Require Face ID. Now confirm by entering passcode, and it disappeared from hidden folder. If you want to bring it back to your home screen, then you need to find it in App Library, press and hold, and drag to your home screen like this. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.